In this video, I'll be talking about Swift keyboard. Swift keyboard is one of the keyboard you will find on Play Store. Out of different keyboard on Play Store, I found Swift keyboard to be very much outstanding. I love Swift keyboard so much that I cannot do without it, and the reason is because it helps me a lot. It helps me a lot. So, how how does Swift keyboard helps me? Okay, so let me show you how. For example, now I have this content. See how I used to drop content for you every day. So let me begin to copy now. I will click and hold this content and copy. I'll click and hold this one, the long one, and copy. As I am copying, is storing on Swift keyboard because Swift keyboard is my default keyboard, so it's recording those things on the clipboard. I'll copy this one. Next one is this. I'll copy. The next one is slide one. I'll copy. Sorry. Copy. Slide two. Copy. Slide three. Then copy. Now look at something. Let me now click on my clipboard. Let me click here like I want to type. You can see this is my keyboard. I have other keyboards, but Swift keyboard is the default. So I'm coming. So now look at the screen here. You will see I'm clicking this, and then you are seeing something at the top of the keyboard. You can see GIF, then this sticker. So GIF. So then the clipboard. This is a clipboard. So let me click on clipboard. You can see these are the things I have copied right from here. You can see the content in full. So if I want to drop it, I'll just click and click on it to drop, and I'll click and I will send. I'll click the next one, it will drop, and I will send. If I want to edit, I will edit before I send. So now if all these things that I've copied will remain on this keyboard for the next 1 hour. So if I want to use all this content elsewhere, for example, I want to use the same content, I want to go and use it on my status. So I'll just go back, come to my status, and then I'll start putting it there. The first one should be this. So then I will send. So then I will create another one for the second one, come to my clipboard, put the second one, then I will send. I'm not trying to upload my status now. So the same thing, if you want to use it on your Facebook status, then you also go to your Facebook status and begin to put it there. This is how you do your promotion so that you have a lot of viewers. Some of us on this group, we have few, maybe like 40 60 viewers on our status. If you are having 40 60 viewers on your status, your likelihood of getting clients is very slim, and you will have to work on how to increase the number of views you are having. I will be sharing with us different strategies very soon. So now I have said that within the next 1 hour, after 1 hour, this content will no longer be here. But if I want them to be here even after 1 hour, all I just need is to pin them. You can see, look at this pin now. You can see this one is light, and the other one, the two one at the downside they are dark. The pins are dark, meaning that I have pinned them. So if I want to pin this one now, I just click on the pin. Now you can see the content have moved to the top. So if I want to pin this one too, I'll click on it, it will move to the top. If I want to pin this, I'll click. So you can see that I am already pinning the content, and when you pin the content, they move to the top. You can also arrange them. For example, if you click on it, you can see I can move them. I can move the arrangement. You can move them. That's lovely. That's very, you click and hold. You press on the content and hold, then you drag. You press, hold and drag to where you want. So I'm just using this as a demo. Not trying to pin all this content. I don't need them. I don't need to pin them. Now the reason I want to show us this is because you have some content that are very important that you need to pin. For example, if you don't be reading my paying content too, look at look at look at this. If look at my payment option, so if anybody needs my account number, I'll just come to my keyboard and just drop it immediately. In fact, within few seconds you will like, so you are working with your account details. I have it pinned on my keyboard. Once you copy like that, you just pin it there. So if you have information that you think you need to be reusing over and over, that maybe people used to ask you question about, for example, question about TIN. If you already have, I have already dropped a kind of answer to it. You can pin such kind of content so that anybody asking about TIN, you just drop it. The person will read and to be perfect. For example, questions about difference between the business enterprise and the um, limited liability. I mean, different, why people should register as a company over registering as an enterprise. You have the answer. You can clip the answer on your clipboard so that anybody asking you such question, you just drop it. You not start typing this. You just type, just drop it for them. Look at, if you come down, you see my price list is here. So if you need my price, I just drop it. I've not updated this price list to the one I just dropped. I will remove it and add another one. Okay, maybe I should do that now, sir, for you to see. I will remove this. Now look at requirement for business name, requirement for, I'll just click on it, then it will draw. These are the content. See that? That's very lovely. All these ones have been on my clipboard since last year. As far back as last year. Let me go and copy the new price list I dropped yesterday. Where is it? This is it. Just click and copy. Then I click my clipboard, price new category. I will pin it till next year. It will be there, in as much I didn't format my system and nothing happens to it. So I can make use of it anywhere, not only on WhatsApp. Wherever you are using your keyboard is where you can use whatever you have pinned, whether on Telegram, on Facebook, or Messenger. Wherever you are using your keyboard, you will always have access to what you have clicked on your Swift keyboard. All right, thank you. If you have any questions regarding Swift keyboard, you can ask me and I will attend to them.